राधे राधे भाइयों और उनकी बहनों and welcome back to another week, another coding video. Well, I should say development video because it's more probably a web development video only. Well, yeah, so welcome back. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys what new things I did. Of course, I completed another front-end mentors challenge. Uh, and they guys have been very helpful for me in practicing my front-end skills. And I'm going to be telling you guys there is a one secret. So wait till the end that this is going to be very interesting video. So without wasting any further more time, let's just let well, this is new, and this is gonna this is the first time that I'm actually showing you guys this. But this is how I set up, or I should say, I start up my laptop and try to record things and all of this. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys right now. As you can see, this is my laptop, and I'm trying, and yeah. So basically, this is an IP address tracker, as you can see. Of course, we'll start right now it is actually taking a bit of time to load because there is one special thing that I'm going to be telling you guys. Even though this is just a front end project, but I have actually changed it into something bigger and better. So yeah, let me just start it again. So yes, welcome to the laptop screen, and as you can see, as I already told you guys, this is the project that I made, and this is also known as an IP address tracker. Now, what does an IP address tracker do? Well, first of all, let me just show you that this is a map. Okay, this is actually an API that is being used. In this whole project, two APIs have been used. First of all, this is known as leaflet.js. It's an open street map. As you can see, this is a marker and it says your location, right? And so this is a whole world map. This is basically like Google Maps. As you guys know about Google Maps, you can see that right now we are in United States of America, the USA. I don't know why my accent came. Let's just go to our country, that is India, of course. And let me just see where is New Delhi, or I shall say I typically belong to Ghaziabad, but whatever. Okay, so this is not actually what it's used for. Let me just show you guys what it's used for. So let me just type in any IP address or a domain name. Let me just go with 8.8.8 and I click on go or search. So as you can see, this is a cute animation that the map is already jumping to the place where that basically the URL, or I should say the IP address, is located. So this whole structure is using another API, that is an API of an IP address tracker. What it does is actually when you enter an IP address or any domain name, it actually searches for it, and in the response that is in the JSON file, it gives you all of the details of where this place or this IP address is located. So as you can see, this is Hong Kong 1.1.1.1. Okay, now if you don't know what is IP address, you can just search domain name. Domain names are basically like google.com. Okay, IP address is the real address from where the proper computer system is stored. Domain name is what you see on the URL. Okay, so as you can know, what is Google? Okay, everybody knows what is Google. So when I searched google.com, it actually gave me the location where in California, USA. Now if I search youtube.com, now you might see that when I click on go, it didn't do anything. Well, the reason for it, because YouTube is actually owned by Google itself, so the place is similar. Now if I search for chatgpt.com, that place is going to be different, and when I click on go, yeah, so that is owned by Cloudflare. So the internet service provider is Cloudflare. It is also in California, USA, but its IP address is different, as you guys can see, and also the ISP of it is also different. Now let me just search a very different thing, that is Instagram.com, and if you guys know that this is actually owned by Meta. So now it goes to another everything is California and USA based, because every big company is USA based, but this is the internet service providers given by the Meta. Now, as you might see, this is something that I created new. This recent searches option is actually that was not mentioned in the whole project. This is what I made with the help of AI. Like I just asked ChatGPT. This was the new thing that I did with this challenge. So I learned a lot through this challenge. This is the one thing that I added. This was front end related addition. And one thing that I also added and that I'm gonna be telling you guys very recently, and that is this whole app is not just front end. This is full stack app. I have added backend to it, and I've also added a database to it. And I'm gonna be showing you guys what backend I use. So, welcome back again. I mean, not welcome back, but yes. Now, this might be looking very new to you. This is not VS Code. This is IntelliJ IDEA, which is basically a thing. I literally forgot the name for it, but this is a thing for Java. Yes, I added a Spring Boot backend to my front end project, and I am actually super proud of it because as you can see, these all of these things are API. Okay, API endpoints that I have created, REST APIs that I created. These are all the services that will be called using the APIs that will give the responses. This is the search history repository, which is the database that I added. Okay, the inbuilt database of Java JDBC, and these are all the configs. And yeah, I was super proud of it, super proud of it. And this was the whole package. So like this whole thing that I was actually doing it for a lot. This was, I guess, a week work. Okay, so front end was pretty easy. I did the front end in, I would say, 2 days, and so that made me practice my JavaScript, my React, and the Tailwind CSS. So it helped me build like uh help me revise my front end basic stuff. And from this I added a Java backend that I am super proud of. So I did Java plus Gradle. So it's a Spring Boot application that is running its proper backend. Okay, so the all the APIs that are being called, it's from the backend. And I've also added a database for the search history. So as you can see, when I click on refresh, there's a search history component where it shows all of the previous things that you have searched on it, like google.com or instagram.com, right? All of these things. And it is incredible that I could add this. And this is a full stack app. Okay, so this is not just front end anymore. This is a proper full stack app. The only thing that is left from in this, if it can be called a proper full stack, is I would say the authentication, the user authentication. I mean, I've already added a database, so I can add a proper either SQL database or no SQL database. This is just the inbuilt database from the Java, that is JDBC. Okay, that's what I've used it, and a few more things. Then it is pretty much a full fledged full stack app. And yeah, I am learning backend in Java, and it's very hard, but I'm trying my best. And yeah, so this was the whole thing. And with the smile, with the excitement on my face, you can see that I am super proud of actually showing it to you guys. And yeah, so if you guys want to learn uh javascript, not Java, and Spring Boot application or Spring Boot backend with me, then you guys can also start. And yeah, I'm here for you guys. If you want to ask me anything, then please do. And if you guys like this video, then please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.